As someone that is very particular about health, healthy lifestyle, healthy eating, here are some things I would never do. And if you're doing them, this might be the reason why your health is struggling and you need to stop. Hi, besties. If this is your first time of seeing me on your screen, I am Z, a nutritionist and of course a health enthusiast. And on this platform, I share everything about healthy living, basically holistic living through healthy foods. First up, I would never skip meals to lose weight. Yes, you heard me right. It's an unpopular opinion. Many people believe that to lose weight, you have to eat less. You have to skip meals. But that is not how the body complexity works. When you skip meals, you don't just cut calories. You increase your chances of overeating later. And your body starts holding on to energy instead of burning it efficiently. So skipping meals is something you should never do. Rather, go for a better way of eating, which I have discussed several times on this platform. Check out some of my videos. Number 2, if you've been following me for a while, you will know that this is something I say every single time. There's no way I'm ever going to ignore this. I would never ignore protein in my meals. Like how? Why? Why will I eat a full plate of food with little or no protein? Like, why would I do that? Protein helps you stay full for a long time. It supports your metabolism and, of course, prevents constant snacking. Because obviously you're going to feel full, so why would you want to eat more? So without it, you're always going to crave for more food. You constantly feel like something is missing. You need to eat more. So why would I ignore protein in my food? Not possible, and you shouldn't. Next on the list, I will never fear carbs. See, let me tell you, carbs are not the enemy. The only problem with it is the type of carbs and the quantity you eat. When I talk about carbs, you eating carbs, do not go for processed carbs. Go for natural carbs, and the quantity also matters. So have other foods like your protein, your fibers more, but your carbs are also needed because they also have things they supply to your body. When you cut it out entirely, you are going to crave it more. That's just the truth. And you're going to have low energy that will lead to you binging on more eating. So don't fear your carbs. Rather, go for natural carbs and, of course, reduce the quantity. Number 4, I would never drink my calories. Yes, I would never drink my fruits. You see, that's part of, it's healthy. Let's blend it and drink is another way of taking healthy fruits, healthy juices and whatever. No. When you blend your fruits, you are only drinking sugar because through the process of blending, you are taking away the nutrients that are supposed to help reduce the sugar spike in those fruits because every fruit have an amount of sugar content. So when you break it down through blending, you are taking away the natural fibers that are supposed to aid you digest that fruits without spiking your blood sugar. I mean, when you blend your fruits, sometimes you take the chaff away and drink just the water. Whether you are just drinking sugar, it's just like your normal store-bought juice, just that this one doesn't have preservatives. But aside that, you are drinking all the way sugar. And when you drink it also, it will make you want to drink more because they don't have anything to offer you. So you get more hungry and you want to drink more or you want to eat more. So it's safe to eat your calories than to drink them. So the last but not the least on this episode is that I will never compare my journey with another person. Why? Because my lifestyle, my hormones, my activities are not the same with another person. What works for someone else may not work for me. So what I need to do is to observe myself and definitely find out what works for me health wise rather than trying to copy every single thing another do. Do you get? You see, on this platform, I talk about healthy lifestyle. I just give you more of things that has worked for me over time. And if you it's something you could try and see if it's something that works for you, and you can continue with it, but do not compare yourself with another person, because your activities, your lifestyle, your health are not the same with another. I also need you to understand that healthy living is not about extreme or being strict with a particular diet. It's about making smarter choices consistently. So follow me for more practical nutritional tips on this platform. You know we make it easier here, right? See you in my next one.